Whether you're skiing down a mountain, cycling through rugged trails, or hiking in the wild, staying connected is crucial. Xiaomi's new sports walkie-talkie is here to keep you in touch with your team, no matter where your adventure takes you. Small, sleek, and packed with power, the Xiaomi Sports Walkie-Talkie is designed for those who never want to miss a beat on their outdoor journey. Measuring just 54 by 55.6 by 22.3 millimeters and weighing only 67 grams, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for those who need reliable communication without the bulk. With an incredible 5,000 kilometers range, this walkie-talkie offers seamless communication over vast distances, whether you're in the mountains, forests, or open fields. Thanks to TD-LTE wireless data technology, the device supports 4G networks from major carriers like China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom, ensuring your connection is never compromised. Outdoor adventures often come with harsh winds, but with Xiaomi's independent noise-canceling chip, you can hear every word, even when cycling at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. No more struggling to communicate in the wind, just clear, crisp sound. And what happens when temperatures drop? Don't worry, the Sports Walkie-Talkie comes with a low-temperature battery that works even in freezing conditions as low as minus 30 degrees Celsius. That means you can keep in touch with your crew during skiing, snowboarding, or any extreme cold weather adventure. Need to quickly assemble your team? No problem. The dedicated team button gives you tactile feedback, allowing you to form groups and communicate fast, even when you're wearing gloves or in a rush. Versatility is key. The magnetic quick-detach system allows you to easily mount the walkie-talkie to your gear, whether it's your goggles, armband, or even a backpack. Hands-free communication has never been easier. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, it can double as a speaker, or even trigger your phone's voice assistant with just a double press of the function button. Stay connected to your smartphone and never miss a moment. Built for the elements, the IP65 rated water and dust resistance ensures that the walkie-talkie survives even in the harshest environments. Whether it's a sudden rainstorm or dusty trail, your device stays protected. The Xiaomi Sports Walkie-Talkie also comes with several handy accessories, like magnetic clips and snow lock clips, enhancing its functionality and usability for all types of activities. So, if you're an adventurer at heart, the Xiaomi Sports Walkie-Talkie is your ultimate communication companion. Compact, durable, and feature-packed, it's designed to keep you connected, no matter how extreme your adventure gets. Ready to take your outdoor experiences to the next level? The Xiaomi Sports Walkie-Talkie is now available for pre-order. Don't miss out on this game changer for your next adventure.